scrub brush out and you're going to scrub it. Now you're going to make sure you're standing off to the side. You have it on your boot like that or on the grass. You do not want to scrape it on the bottom because these are aluminum or metal. So we're going to scrub it down real good. And then we're going to do the top part, which was the bottom just a minute ago. You're getting the sides of the metal as well with this. Now, screens have two sides. A lot of people forget to do the opposite side. You want to do the opposite side. Same thing. You go to about half here, flip it around, do the same thing. Make sure you get the frame all set to go. Then what you want to do is you want to take your dirty towel, not rag, you want to call these towels. And what you're going to do is simply just tap. You don't want to beat the screen to pieces because on a lot of the older ones you won't be able to do that with. And you're going to want to go ahead and get the aluminum just as well. And same thing on the top. We'll just tap the off just like so. And continue here. You want to get the corners here as well. Remember, you're charging between $2 or $3 and up for screens so you can screen clean. Well, a lot of you guys say I don't charge, it just is into the price. Well, I tell you what, most of the time you're giving these things away for free. You could actually pay one of your employees off just screen cleaning. Think you have 20 screens and you charge only $2, it's gonna be $40 for just screen cleaning, so you'd be all set to go. Until next time, you guys, love yous.